The platform to preserve culture, the platform to show talent and sports skill, and bring together the people of Ribohoi Sapmi to foster unity and development in our region. The Jowe Festival 2024 will be held at Patharkhmah in Western Ribohoi on the 13 and 15 August 2024. There will be plenty of entertainment on both days, including the Miss and Mr. Western Ribohoi contest, an ethnic fashion show presented by Kini Ho to Miss Iba Malay, DJ night with DJ Zethan and DJ Kennedy.
Oye mamita, dale, esperamos hasta arriba.
Performance by popular state artists such as Colors, Somersault, Kentulin Maupnyang, and many more. Additionally, there will be a dance competition, a drama competition for school on the theme Say No to Drugs, and a football match between Rangjit FC and the Western Ribohoi Sports Association, among other activities. In addition to this performance, Miss Meghalaya and Miss Teen Meghalaya will also make special performance to encourage the participant of the Miss and Mr. Western Ribohoi contest. There will be traditional dances from various tribes and communities in the area, including a dance by the Rabha tribe, a performance by our Garo friends, and a Khasi traditional dance by our people from Jirang Block. Celebration of progress through community connection, Patharkhmah Civil Subdivision, which is also a special initiative of the Chief Minister. The festival was organized by the Office of the Sub-Divisional Officer Patharkhmah in collaboration with the Office of the Block Development Officer Jirang CNRD Block, supported by the Office of the Deputy Commissioner, funded by the Chief Minister's Special Grant and Meghalaya Tourism.